Hey, good morning everyone. Nice to meet you again. Now I'm in a very famous restaurant in Taichung City because this very famous restaurant also use our eSpring water purifier. So you know, I have many customers. They are restaurant owner. They all use eSpring because no need boil the water. It's a high quality can service to customer. So and another very wonderful side effect is every time I come here, I do the service. I always have free, sorry, free coffee. Okay, let me try. Fantastic because use eSpring. Of course, remember before I sharing to you, always use product in front of your customer. So this is my XS energy drink, and here is my Neutralite. So before I training, I want to share some information to you. Okay, let's take a look. Okay, you see, whoa, it's a very nice restaurant. Of course, now already over lunchtime, so now only a few customers, so they allow me can video. This restaurant is in the roof. It's very famous, and also you can see outside they also do the organic farming. So all the vegetable they cooking use for customer. Okay, let's go to see where is our eSpring. Okay, you see Maganda. Okay, now let me show you where's our eSpring. Oh, here, our eSpring here, and I just changed the filter here. Maybe a little bit. Cannot see. Okay, here. Okay. So now I will continue my talking topic yesterday. So my talking training topic is how to organize the very nice house meeting. So now I want to show a few points about today. So the process is very important when we do the home meeting. The first one is meeting before the meeting. Meeting before the meeting is very important. For example, you need, for example, if your meeting time, you talk to all your friends, your customer, you around 10 a.m. is your meeting time. So you need earlier, 9 a.m. you go to set up everything, prepare all the demo tour. Of course, all the leader who willing to support you, or your downline, your sideline, you must be get together meeting before the meeting. First one, we double check all the products tour is perfect. The second, we can discuss, we can sharing who you invite, the new guest, the name, the background, details. Because if you need borrow power from the sideline or upline, you need discuss first the name list. So who you invite today. So also we discuss about detail. If you invite a friend come here, the purpose want to share the opportunity about the Amway, so we can focus Amway. Maybe you invite a guest, the purpose want to share Neutralite to him or to her, so maybe we can try to focus Neutralite. So before we do the meeting, we must be make perfect. We discuss the name list. Okay, this is very important. The first one is meeting before the meeting. Of course, we want to create a wonderful atmosphere. So before the meeting, we are always exciting and happy, and we are very easier encourage people. Believe me, the meeting become good or not good. Not about you are very professional or not. You must be have wonderful atmosphere, wonderful feeling. People very easy, open mind, and accept everything you discuss, you share to them. Okay, before the meeting, after the meeting. The second is a meeting. When the meeting time, maybe somebody do the MC, somebody do demonstration, or somebody present a marketing plan. The most important is everybody must be focused and together support the meeting. So first one, we reduce the interrupt. Maybe the kids run away, we try to make kids quiet. Then maybe your guest, when we do demonstration, then your guest watch a cell phone or talk to each other, then you just talk to them, shh, keep quiet, and then make them focus. Because we want to they pay attention all the information inside the meeting. Of course, just like when we do the OPP marketing plan, I always give the OPP books. We need page by page, right? Because we don't have a laptop or the PowerPoint projector, because it's not too easy to duplicate. Not everybody have a laptop and also the projector. So that's why we use the OPP book. Easy, one book, one by one. So sometimes the leader must be sit down beside the new guest. For example, we do the OPP, we page by page. If they use the wrong page, immediately we can teamwork, support the new guest. Okay, find the right page and follow the page by page. Because when we listen and watch everything step by step, they will more complete understand what is a Amway business. So this is a meeting inside the meeting. How about the meeting after meeting? Okay, after the meeting, maybe you invite people sharing, but for me, for my experience, only for leader meeting, I do the meeting after meeting. It means one by one sharing what you learned today. Everybody 1 minute or 2 minutes, because meeting after meeting is very important for Amway, especially for leaders. You have chance can practice. You're talking, you're sharing, because people are very shy, don't want to talk, don't want to share. But after meeting, inside the meeting after meeting, you have chance can practice. But for the house meeting, if we do the OPP after meeting, usually I don't do the regular meeting after meeting. I always finish the meeting, but after the meeting we just drink coffee or we have some cookie, just like this, okay? Then people talk to each other. For me, this is the most important time. The meeting after meeting, you can one by one and talk to the new guest. We can make them make decision. For example, sign up or buy products, or encourage them attend a meeting. So for me, I don't want to spend more time display Amway. We try to focus meeting after meeting, because meeting after meeting you can do the close. Okay, you can push people sign up or encourage people buy products. So this is a process. Of course, when all the guests go home, I always organize the leaders meeting, because I was sharing what happened today and share more details, because details make perfect. So sometimes we make mistake, but for the leader meeting after meeting, we can discuss how we can make perfect. Because all my downline company with me, we run a meeting. My purpose not only sponsor people, my purpose not only share products, my purpose I want to training my leaders. Because if they know the details, they can do more better. Even I'm not in Philippines, they still can do the wonderful and excellent home meeting. So remember the process: meeting before the meeting, and the meeting after meeting, and the leader after meeting. So this is my sharing today. Hope you can learn something. And I like Amway style. So you can see every day I can go to many places. I don't need to go to the office always. And all my customers become my best friend. So even I come to here, do the e-sprint, I got PV, but I also have free coffee and the free cookie and dessert. So this is Amway life. So I hope you can really understand Amway can make your life more meaningful. So this is my sharing today. God bless you, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.